What's up everybody, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Torras Ostand Air case. And I picked this up for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Every once in a while I'll go on to Amazon and I'll have like a gift card or something like that, or some kind of credit. And I like to, keep a good selection of phone cases around for all my different devices, just because it keeps them feeling new and fresh, and I can, change them in and out. It just doesn't have the same feel all the time. So every time I went on Amazon and I was searching around for iPhone 17 Pro Max cases, this case was always one that popped up, and I just never picked it up until the other day. And I actually really like this case. It was one of the, the higher rated ones on there. Like I said, it usually comes up top in the search results. And this case actually has, like, they call it the air case because there's actually air pockets up here along the top and on the corners on the bottom and everything. So if you drop your device, it's very cushioned on the top or the corners, where it's most likely to fall. It's got really nice buttons. This is the gray, kind of like the frosted gray color with the orange buttons. Now they do give you a second set of buttons in the package. I don't have them with me right now, but you can pop these out and put those in. Mine came with like a goldish color, which I do prefer the orange over the secondary color that it came with. But you do get replacement buttons or other colors if you want to swap those out. And then of course you have your stand here, which also acts as your MagSafe magnet. And this is actually pretty cool because it has some different positions that it locks into, so you can prop your device up, different ways, like so, and it's really sturdy. And then you can also turn it if you want to use it as like a, to hold your phone while you're taking pictures or video. You can rotate it for different, different orientations and stuff like that. And then it just snaps right back in there, sits pretty flush with the case, which is really nice. So very nice stand on this. If you're somebody that likes that, a stand on their case, this is a very, very good stand, very sturdy. You also have your pass-through camera control right there. It's not a cutout. It actually has the pass-through sensor right there, so you're not having to reach through the side of the case or anything like that to get to your MagSafe, or sorry, your camera control button. And then as far as the ports, you have a pretty big opening for your ports down here on the bottom, as well as your speaker and microphone cutouts. And a nice little camera plateau cutout right here with a raised edge for some additional protection there. So overall, very nice case. It was about $65 on Amazon. Like I said, I did pick this up with a gift card that I had, so I did pay for it, but with a gift card. But very nice case. I would recommend this case. It does have some grip right here around the buttons right there on the side where you're going to be holding the case as well. So it's not super slippery or anything like that. And just overall, a very nice looking and feeling case in my opinion. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Check out the link down in the description below if you want to pick this case up for yourself. Have a great day.